Hello, it is me, Darmisha, your independent beauty consultant with Mary Kay. I be having some serious plans when I get off work, and it doesn't go that way. So I was like, you have a lunch break. You can do it on your lunch break. So here I am, and I'm starting this new little series, and it's called Car Savings. That's right, Car Savings. So I'll be featuring a product. Most of them might be a limited edition. And I don't know if you remember this. This is the Mary Kay Lip Kit. The Sun is Bright. It came in two shades. One of them was rose, pink rose, and nude. Pink rose and nude. So I'm going to pull it out and hope you can see the sun is very bright. Rose, that is rose. And it's come with a lip liner. That's the cool thing about it because it's a lip liner. So this is, look at there. That is pretty, guys. Can you see that? That is pretty. That is rose. The sun is in the way, so I hold it back. That is rose. See it against my face? Rose. This was my favorite one. And then it come with a lip liner as well. And then we have the nude. I did a video as well, and I will put the link for my video so you can go see what they look like in person on me and post pictures as well. So this is nude. Nude. That is nude. See that, guys? Love it. Nude. This is nude. Like I said, they both come with a lip liner. I don't know if you can see it. Lip liner. It helps. A lip liner helps so much keep from your lipstick bleeding. So lip liner is perfect. This is a whole kit, guys. This was a limited edition for $28. Guess how much you get it for today? Today, I have a rose and a nude. It was regular $28, and you can get it, each one of these, for $14. This is like $7 a piece for each one of them. You cannot beat this. Rose and nude. Lipstick and lip liner for $14 each. If you're interested, please post below, comment. I have one of each for whoever wants this. And I will post videos and pictures so you can see what it looked like on my face. It will show differently on everybody else's face. But I did love this set, guys. Get yours. Treat yourself. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next Car Savings.